What's up guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Blake. Today I will be showing you all my take on how to make Louisiana style dirty rice. So let's get into this. So for this recipe you're going to need about 1/4 to half of a bell pepper, about half of an onion, sausage, long grain and wild rice, and a little bit of olive oil. So the first thing you want to do to get this recipe started is by cooking your rice. Please follow the back of the rice box for instructions on how to cook your rice. As the rice is cooking, I'm going to be chopping up this bell pepper, this onion, and I'm going to be using half of this sausage to saute all these ingredients right here into a pan behind me to be put into my rice. Now that you've chopped up your vegetables, you can put them in your pan with the sausage to cook. Feel free to use oil to prevent sticking. So now you want to cook the sausage and continue to chop it up until the meat is completely brown. So this is what your meat should look like when it's all cooked. This is what the rice looks like when it's finally done. Now it's time to combine the rice with the vegetables and the sausage. And mix. If you like your food spicy like me, feel free to add any Cajun seasoning. And in this case, I'm using Slap Your Mama. Now that you've finished cooking, it's time to taste that product. Blake approves. Thanks for watching, and like always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.